Hi guys, and welcome to the energy update for this month of May 2026, according to the Tibetan Karmic Numerology. The energy for May in this year is a six, and six is all about harmony. So in May, you may feel like bringing balance into your life in all aspects of your life, creating maybe starting with your environment, creating more harmony around you. You may want to declutter, to tidy up your home and redecorate so you can bring more light into your space. So May is inviting us also and mainly to return to harmony within ourselves and within our relationship. So in May, we're going to feel that our heart is opening, that we want to care for others. We have more compassion. We feel like we can take on the world. We feel ready to take on responsibility for our family, for our circle of friends, or even for an organization that is dear to our hearts. In May, we really feel that pull towards stronger connections, and we're not afraid of taking on other people's emotional issues. We feel that we have the ability to help them. We want to fix things so everything comes back to a state of balance and harmony. We really want to come back to a state of even stability. But at the same time, as usual, we need to be aware and mindful of the shadow side of a number. Like now we have the number six, because this beautiful, heartfelt impulse may also lead us to overgiving. And thus we will be ending up losing ourselves in the needs and expectation of others. So we may also push that care of others, some of us, to give us a sense of control and self power, and that is also out of balance. So all this care may lead us to experience moments where it actually feels heavy or even overwhelming. So here is the question that you can ask yourself for May. Where am I giving from fullness? And where am I giving from obligation or a state of imbalance? So the intention for May, really, because it's always a learning ground for us as human beings, right? These energies coming in our life are giving us this opportunity to grow. So the intention for May is to cultivate a grounded harmony. So what does that mean? That means what is great in this month? It's great for us to learn to care for others. Yes, that's great. While, and this is the kicker, while we learn to ourselves stay centered and to learn to support others without abandoning ourselves, really, that is what it is about. So please let me know in the comments how you are feeling about May. Take care and don't forget to take life not too seriously. It is a game. So enjoy the game of May, and I will see you soon. Take care.